Right, before beginning, you always need to make sure that you have enough material. The worst thing that can happen is you go and do all your things, do 3 cards, and then realize that you haven't got enough material for 4th. And I'm cutting it pretty fine here, and this is the only bits I could get. This is real suede on the outside, leather on the inside. I've spent absolute ages picking the materials, and that's all I could get. So not to risk running out, first things I'm gonna do is that basically. So I'm gonna cut like 4 inches pieces and just stick it on here. Then I'm gonna see what else I've got left and carry on. If I don't have enough left, I might have to do this in black or something, but we'll see. So you gotta mark off the bits that you wanna cut off from your material, not to waste any. So make sure that this, sticks over the bit to give you enough room to stick it down. Right, so we don't have much of this, unfortunately, this fine leather here. So I've taken off the front door card to cut out the main bits that we're definitely gonna have in red, and then see how much left over we have for this. Maybe have to do it some different color. We'll see in a minute. So lay it over down with the side that you're gonna be facing outwards, so you don't mark the good side, and mark off where you want to cut. Cut all the way down, checking that you have enough material to go over the edge there. I think it's easy if you use spray on adhesive like this, as it kind of forms a layer, a thin layer. You can let it dry for a couple of seconds. So that you don't fuck up, make sure that, for example, I'm gonna spray some glue over here now, so cover any areas where you don't want glue. Like that. And then you can spray. So once you've sprayed it on, start gently, very gently pressing it in. I think some glue here went through, but we can hopefully wash it off later. So be very gentle when pressing it. Also use a microfiber cloth to rub it gently and rub it into the position. That way you'll stretch it out evenly. Probably the hardest thing here are these edges. So you really gotta make sure that you push them together, so you can't see the joining too much. And this glue here is fine, because then we'll scrape it off, but do the best you can so you can't see any of the panel underneath. So kind of really push them together close.